What's going on, phone nerds? Ian here again from Mega Mobile USA, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you guys have any questions or concerns about the product, drop a comment below, hit the like button, maybe subscribe if you like my channel. It's okay for now, you know, whatever. But if you want the lowest price, definitely drop me a comment, and I'll take care of that for you. Real quick rundown on this guy. It's got a 6.67 inch touchscreen with 120 hertz refresh rate. You can get it either 64 gig or 128 gig. Both have 6 gigabytes of RAM. It's dual SIM. This one is actually the global model, so there's no flashed OS or hacked anything. It comes directly out of the box working with Google Play. It's got 4 cameras in the back, but the main shooter is a 64 megapixel. The battery is a 4820 milliamp hour, so it's, you know, it's pretty big. It's getting there. It's got a Snapdragon 750 5G processor, and without further ado, here we go. If you order from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. Seal, seal. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and really quickly cut this. I've graduated from using my fingers to using this. Take the plastic wrap off, put it to the side, take the top off. And I should also mention this comes in 3 colors: Atlantic Blue, Pearl Gray, and this one is the Rose Gold Beach, which is kind of a weird name. Top comes off, designed by Xiaomi. Cool little insert. SIM eject tool. You got some little book stuff, garbage. And we got this soft case. Camera cutout, it's decent. It's not, the inside's got a little grippy, the outside, the back is not. I'd probably use something like this. It's standard, but it's free. Hey. Again, you get the quick rundown like I did right here. It even has 33 watt fast charge, which is pretty cool. Put that aside for a second. A little insert that holds the phone. Got this USB-A to USB Type-C. Just nothing special here. Shove it back in. Then we have this international charger. Now a lot of people ask me about this. There's no USA version of this, so it has to come with an international charger. Don't worry, I provide an adapter. And all you do is look at it with the plastic piece, pop it down, slides right into the charger, works like a charm. It's ugly, but it works. You can use a different charger if you want. I mean, I think the only thing you're sacrificing is the quick charging. So this one, I'm actually gonna just really quickly peel this so I can show you this color. This is pretty cool. So does have a screen protector built in, and you got the selfie camera right there. It's just right in the middle, cut out. It's easy, it's nice. I wasn't sure what this color was gonna look like. This rose gold beach. This is awesome. So you got this 4 camera setup, and then again, you got the case here. Pretty cool. I can get it on, of course not while I'm taping this. See if I can keep struggling with it, and whatever. So it goes on, it's pretty nice. You can make fun of me for not being able to put the case on, that's fine by me. But this, like, it literally looks like a beach. It looks like sand fading into water, and that is actually one of the coolest things I've ever seen on a phone. Got the 5G down here. This is on the phone, Xiaomi, so you can't get rid of that. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Again, you can buy it from my store. I'm happy to sell it to you direct, whatever you like. Built for 5G, it says right here on the camera. That's pretty cool. Premium AI camera. As always, I appreciate your business, and I look forward to your purchase. Thank you so much.